now he's dancing around like Unstoppable. He's just mocking Ryan. Oh, and a kick to the side of the face. Unstoppable wasn't even here tonight. He's probably watching in disgust. Oh, man. Mystical Monkey death drop there. On a punch to the back by Superman. Think he was going to set up for the Mystical Monkey. On. He crashed and burned there. Then stomps on his arm. Does Robin. And now wait a minute, Shigo. You better turn around. And Mystical Monkey fist kick. Come on. There's no way you could have saw that coming. 1, 2, 3. No! Robin kicked out again. The referee was too busy trying to get Superman out of the ring. Right hand. And another one. On another one. Seeing Monkey Fist dance like that is just weird. Oh, there's the Mystical Monkey back fist. Then he knocks Superman off, then climbs over him. Wait a minute, Superman throws him back in. Wait a minute, he counters. Flying forearm, then he kicks up. Many times he thought that would have been over. He tags in Draken again. Robin desperately needs to make the tag to Superman, or maybe not. 2, and no, Draken just kicks out. Drop kick, there it is. A drop kick. And an arm drag. And now Robin going for the backbreaker. Out of nowhere, backbreaker, but Superman is not up on the apron. He was distracted by Shigo, but he's back up now. And then he gets in and out the ring. And then he tags in Superman. And Draken bumps into Superman. And then he throws Draken over the top rope. Now suplexes him back in. And then on a clothesline. And another clothesline. Another clothesline. Knockout punch. Now this is the point where I think Draken is out cold. And now Super S Splash time. Cover. 1, 2. And Monkey Fist kicks Superman off. And she goes. Shigo has to be loving this. Now, kill switch. I believe every single person in this match except for Monkey Fist is busted open. Now here we go. World Takeover. Now he's setting up. I don't know what he's setting up for. Hey, wait a minute. That's the Super X shooter. He's about to make Superman tap out to his own finishing maneuver. on, and Robin breaking it up, and he pays for it. But then Dragon pays for touching Robin. He gets tossed out the ring. Oh no, I'm getting out of here. I'm out. Here we go. And now, Superman! It's 5 through my announce table! Oh, he's not done. He's not done. S5 on the floor. He's in a place where Monkey Fist cannot get to him. 2, 3. Superman wins. Superman and Robin pick up the victory over Evil Incorporated. Watch this. Kill switch. I don't know what Draken was trying to do, but I don't know what he was trying to prove, but that's what he got. An S5 through the announce table, and then an S5 on the floor, and then in a place where Monkey Fist could not get to him. Look at them both bloody. Look at Draken's face. He's real bloody. Extremely bloody. That's EWWE for you. Thank you all for watching Friday Night Backlash. Good night to all.